This Filipino language lesson is about the word hindi. Hindi, which means no or not in English. Hindi is the most common and versatile of all Tagalog negators, and it is used to negate a great variety of Tagalog phrases and sentences. Simply place hindi before the word or phrase that it negates to make a negative statement or question. So it's really simple. Hindi plus a Tagalog word. Let's take a look at the noun carpintero. Carpintero, which means carpenter. Negative form, hindi carpintero, meaning not a carpenter. Hindi carpintero. Next, we have balyena. Balyena, whale. Hindi balyena, not a whale. Hindi balyena. Itim or the color black, negative form, hindi itim, not black. Hindi itim. Let's now use hindi with pronouns. Example, ako meaning I or me. Negative form, hindi ako, not me. Hindi ako. Next, siya, meaning he, she, him, or her. Hindi siya, meaning he is not, she is not, or not him, not her. Hindi siya. Next, akin or sa akin, meaning mine. Hindi akin or hindi sa akin, not mine. Hindi with adjectives. Payat, meaning thin or slim. Negative form, hindi payat, not thin or not slim. Hindi payat. Makintab, shiny or glossy. Hindi makintab, not shiny or dull. Hindi makintab. Next, we have malinaw, meaning clear. Hindi malinaw, not clear or vague. Hindi malinaw. Hindi with adverbs of place. Rito, dito, meaning here. Negative form, hindi dito or hindi rito, not here or not in this place. Roon, doon, meaning there. Hindi roon or hindi doon, not there. Hindi with adverbs of frequency. Example, palagi, meaning always. Negative form, hindi palagi, not always or not all the time. Hindi palagi. Madalas, meaning often. Hindi madalas, not often. Hindi madalas. Hindi with prepositions. Sa ibabaw, meaning above or on top. Negative form, hindi sa ibabaw, not above or not on top. Hindi sa ibabaw. Sa harap, meaning in front. Hindi sa harap, not in front. Hindi sa harap. Sa ilalim, below or under. Hindi sa ilalim, not below. Hindi sa ilalim. Hindi is also used with all Tagalog verb aspects. For example, the present aspect nag-aaral, meaning studying. Negative form, hindi nag-aaral, not studying. Hindi nag-aaral. Past aspect, kumain, ate. Hindi kumain, did not eat. Hindi kumain. Future aspect, pupunta. Will go or will come. Hindi pupunta. Will not go or will not come. Hindi pupunta. Let's see some example sentences. Hindi dentista ang ate ko. Please note that this sentence follows a hindi plus noun pattern because dentista is a common noun. Hindi dentista ang ate ko, meaning my sister is not a dentist. Hindi Baguio ang capital ng Pilipinas. Again, this is a hindi plus noun pattern because Baguio is a proper noun. Hindi Baguio ang capital ng Pilipinas. Baguio is not the capital of the Philippines. Our next sentence is a hindi plus adjective pattern. Hindi masarap ang ginisang upo. Hindi masarap ang ginisang upo. Meaning, sauteed bottle gourd doesn't taste good. Hindi madali ang physics. Hindi madali ang physics. Physics is not easy. Lagi ka bang pumupunta rito? Lagi ka bang pumupunta rito? Do you always come here? Answer: hindi. Hindi palagi. No, not always. Hindi madalas umulan dito. Hindi madalas umulan dito. It doesn't often rain here. Nag-aaway ba kayo ng asawa mo? Nag-aaway ba kayo ng asawa mo? Meaning, do you and your husband fight? Answer: minsan, pero hindi sa harap ng mga bata. Minsan, pero hindi sa harap ng mga bata. Sometimes, but not in front of the kids. Hindi ako marunong niyan. Hindi ako marunong niyan. Meaning, I don't know that or I don't know how to do that. Hindi siya kasama. Hindi siya kasama. He's not included. Hindi sila natuloy magpakasal. Hindi sila natuloy magpakasal. They didn't get married or they called off their wedding. Hindi with Tagalog verbs. Hindi mag-uumpisa ang party nang wala ka. Hindi mag-uumpisa ang party nang wala ka. The party won't start without you. Hindi nasabihan si Alice. Hindi nasabihan si Alice. Meaning, Alice was not informed. Hindi sumasali sa away sina Sol at Luna. Hindi sumasali sa away sina Sol at Luna. Sol and Luna don't get into fights. Let's now look at other examples using hindi. Hindi ko kasalanan yon. Hindi ko kasalanan yon. Meaning, it's not my fault. Hindi ka ba nagugutom? Hindi ka ba nagugutom? Aren't you hungry? Hindi pa sila nagsisimula. Hindi pa sila nagsisimula. They haven't started yet. Hindi pambihira ang mabuhay sa loob ng 100 taon. Hindi pambihira ang mabuhay sa loob ng 100 taon. It's not rare to live over 100 years. Hindi yon mahalaga. Hindi yon mahalaga. It's not important. Hindi talaga ako kumbinsido. Hindi talaga ako kumbinsido. I'm not convinced at all. Hindi bagay sa'yo ang kulay na yan. Hindi bagay sa'yo ang kulay na yan. That color doesn't suit you. Hindi ko nagawa. Hindi ko nagawa. Meaning, I wasn't able to do it or I wasn't able to fix it. Hindi ko sinasadya. Hindi ko sinasadya. I didn't mean it. There are plenty of short Tagalog expressions that you can form using hindi, like hindi pa, meaning not yet. Hindi ba, which is often shortened to di ba? Hindi ba, meaning isn't it? Hindi na, not anymore or not any longer. Hindi raw or hindi daw, meaning he said no or she said no. Hindi naman, not really or not so. Hindi naman. Hindi pwede, meaning no, it can't be or it's not allowed or it's not possible. Hindi pwede. That's it for this lesson. Please don't forget to like or share this video to your friends who might need it. Maraming salamat po!